And this video is an important trade that you should not miss on gold and USDJPY. So I'm going to show you that right now. So watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy, technical analysis to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other Forex videos and educational content. Right here on gold USDT, okay? So I have to do gold first and then I will move back to USDJPY. On gold right here, we've seen a significant rise in the price of gold. Right now, gold is trading at $2,342. And as you can see, we begin to see volume spike on this very area where the market is right now, which means the market is exhausted. Okay, so the bulls are getting tired of moving price to the upside. That means a high possibility that the bears are going to take control of the market and begin to move the market to the downside, which is what I am expecting. Now is the right time to take a counter trend position on gold for a sell position. So if I move back to the 4-hour chart, something very important right here that you need to pay attention to if you want to take a counter trend position against this upward trend to the upside, right here is the best time to do that. So what I am expecting right now on gold 4-hour chart is for this market to come back to the downside. So if you want to take a sell position, this very area where the market is right now is the best place to take that very sell position, and this very point also is the zone of taking that sell position before the market is going to go back to the downside. So you can trigger your sell position right here for the market to come back to the downside. And what I am expecting is very, very important. Remember, the market is still going to move to the upside. So you need to be very careful with this very position on gold, okay? This market is going to still move down, but I am expecting a significant movement downward for a retracement before continuation. The target have to be this very point of resistance and support. If you look at this area of resistance right here, which is also support at this very point, is where I'm expecting this market to come into. So we have a resistance at this area and we have a support at this point. I am expecting the market to come into this very zone right here before the next move upward. This is what I am expecting. Okay, so typically what I am expecting is that this market should come back to the downside into this zone, and then from here we will see continuation to the upside on gold. But for the immediate short term and for you to take a sell opportunity on this very pair, then you have to take that very sell opportunity right at this very area that you can see right now. This candle that is forming right now is the best time to short the market to the downside, because I am expecting that this market to move to the downside. So your targets have to be this very area of support, which was resistance at this very point. So we see support right at this very area, which is very, very important. So your first target is here and your second target is at this point, and your stop loss have to be slightly above the wick of this very candle right here. So this is what you need to do right now to take this very sell opportunity on gold, because market is going to come back down into this area before the next move to the upside. Another thing you can also do is to wait for the market to come back down from this very point, and when the market move up, which I'm going to do a video on it extensively, then you take a buy position from this very zone for the market to move to the upside as well. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on gold. The next pair that you need to watch to take this trade is the USDJPY. If you look at it, in my last video last week, I talked to you about the market coming back down from this very area, and that movement for me is going to definitely happen, because if you look at what price action have been doing historically, you see that the market move from here upward and then retrace, move upward, and then we see this very retracement and then finally move to the upside from this very point of support to this very area. Right now, retracement is going to come into the market before continuation to the upside. Now, you cannot trade this very retracement that is coming to the market on the 1-day chart, because I am on the 1-day chart right now, but you can do that on the 4-hour chart, which is very, very important. So expect this market to come back to the downside. But if you go back to the 4-hour chart, it will give you an extensive look into what the market is doing at this very moment. If you look at this, you discover that the market have moved a little bit upward, and there is a little bit of movement up to this very point to grab liquidity, which we've already sensed it already from this very area. But what I am looking out for is very, very critical. I told you that if the market go below this very level of support, then that means market is going to continue back to the downside. And this exact same thing we see right here. We have a critical support at this very area, which the market has obeyed for a very long time. So from this very point is an important level of support right here. So this support zone, market come back down, create a new low, lower than the support, and then move up a little bit, could not create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point and this very area. What it means is that the market is going to come back to the downside. So that is what I am looking out for and watching right now. So the perfect time for you to take a sell position is right now on USDJPY. Why? Because from the 1-day chart analysis to the 4-hour chart analysis, the market is pointing downward. So when you get this kind of agreement on 2-3 time frames, it means that the market is going to definitely move to the downside. That is why top-down analysis is very important when you want to take accurate trades. So what I am expecting right here is for the market to move to the downside from this very region. So from this very area, I am expecting the market from here come back down. Okay, this is the best time to short the market to create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very area. Once we see that, the market is going to then retrace a little bit and then continue back to the downside. This is very, very important. So what you need to do right now is to take this sell position, okay? And you have to take it in line with your risk management method and your trading strategy. So at this very point, it is nice to take a sell position at this very area where the market is right now. And your first target have to be this very area of important support, and your stop loss have to be slightly above this very spike right here, that is at this price level of 152.05. okay, while you enter at this very point, and your stop loss have to be above this very area. Your take profit target have to be at this very point of support. This is what you need to do right now if you want to take advantage of this opportunity on USDJPY. This is very, very important. So you can take advantage of this opportunity on USDJPY and the one on gold. Both are sell opportunity, but the one on USDJPY have confirmed on 2 time frame, that is the 1-day chart and the 4-hour chart. But the one on gold is a continuation trade. So that very sell opportunity on gold is a counter trend trade. Okay, market is still going to move to the upside. So this is what you need to jump on right now. It is a nice sell opportunity on USDJPY right now and also on gold. Don't miss this, guys. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. If you've not registered with any broker, check the description of this video. I have a recommended broker for you and do your registration right away. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.